Allure Beauty Box. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. Take just a moment to subscribe. You don't want to miss a minute. I'm going to do an unboxing, but I have lots and lots of fun content. So if you're not into unboxings, still subscribe because you're going to find other stuff you love. And if you like unboxings, I'm going to start doing a few more unboxings every month. This is Allure. I will leave the link for Allure just down there. Click that little arrow. There's going to be, I just punched myself in the nose. There's going to be an arrow somewhere down there, and you just open it up and then you can click on it. It'll take you over to Allure where you can sign up. I think the box is $10 a month. But you can just sign up for 1 month at a time, which is what I did. And if you use my link, I think they give me some kind of a credit. I don't know what, maybe nothing. I don't care for the bag. This is so boring. I know the clear plastic bags are in, but just because something's in doesn't mean I like it. I'm gonna be real honest with you here, and even though I looked up how to pronounce this particular makeup brand, I could not find a consensus on it. I guess I could call them and find out what they say, but I'm gonna say this is Deuce or Deuce. Deuce. That's what I'm gonna call it. Anyways, this is a Deuce lip pencil, and I actually already have this color. This is a Mally eyeshadow. Let's see what color it is. It's like a brown. Whoa, that's pretty. Look at that. Very metallic-y. Very pretty. The Beauty Blender, 2 little tiny beauty blenders. These are the real deal too. I love the tiny ones I got from Ulta. I have no problem buying the cheaper things, but now I've got 2 name brand ones. I'm living the high life now. We've got Wee Scalp and Body Scrub. Scalp Scrub, how cool is that? Kind of flowery scented. Am I the only one that smells everything? That's nice. It's a nice scent. Kind of flowery, but very subtle. Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C. Me lovey. I cannot believe. I don't even... What in the world? Was this only $10? That's pretty crazy. Am I right? Am I right? Oh, some more Sunday Riley. This is high dose retinoid serum. What is going on? I know these are smallish, but really, this will last me forever. This truly will last me months and months, but I mean, this is likely to last me 2 months. I don't know what's going on. Why are we getting these in this NCLA in this gorgeous color? Gotta paint my nails. I'm embarrassed about my nails. They're pitiful. It's very pretty. I am good at painting nails now. That is some good stuff right there. But regardless of how poorly I did my nails, that really is a pretty color. Can you believe this bag?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm running out of fingers. 6, 7 things.
Holy cow. I think I'm gonna make sure I get another box next month. If you've gotten this box before, is this what usually happens? Or did I just luck out? What is going on? Well, that's all I have for you today. If you're not a subscriber, you don't want to miss out, so be sure and subscribe. Don't forget to tell me in the comments what time it is, and I will see you real soon. Thanks for watching.